hello, happy day to everyone. Today we are going to see about the topic is Current Affairs March 2020, which means Nadappu Nigalvugal. Here comes some interesting topics based on the current affairs. The topics are national news, international news, important days, science and technologies, sports news, economic, awards, appointments, books and authors, and banking news. Now we are going to start with national news. The question is, who is to launch 10,000 farmers producer organizations, which means FPO, across the country at Chitrakoot? The answer is Narendra Modi. Let me explain about this question and answers. First one is the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is to launch 10,000 farmers producer organization FPO across the country at Chitrakoot on 29 February 2020. The event aims to mark the first anniversary of PM Kisan, which transformed the lives of crores of farmers in the last 1 year. Related keys for these questions. FPOs will help in the cultivation of small, marginal, and landless farmers in order to give them the collective strength and deal with such issues. FPO member will manage their activities together in the organization to get better input, access to technology, finance, and the market for faster enhancement of their income. Which Railways has launched its first restaurant on wheels at the circulating area of Asansol railway station? Explanation of this question is, in a significant development, Indian Railways has launched its first restaurant on wheels at the circulating area of Asansol railway station for the use of passengers as well as the general public. Indian Railway is the among us the biggest train system in the world, and it operates around 13,000 passenger trains every day. It was inaugurated by Union Minister and Asansol MP Babul Supriyo. I'm really proud to say that our Indian Railways has launched its first restaurant on wheels at the circulating area of Asansol railway station. By the way, this is the answer of this question. The related keys of this question is Indian Railways founded in 16 April 1853. Indian Railways headquarters is New Delhi. The question is, which assembly went paperless on with the implementation of e-Vidhan, a project under the Digital India program? And the answer is Arunachal Pradesh Assembly. Let me explain about this. The budget section of the 7th Arunachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly began. The Arunachal Pradesh Assembly went paperless on with the implementation of e-Vidhan, a project under the Digital India program. With the implementation of the e-Vidhan project, MLAs can access every information regarding the assembly, see the list of business and read questions and other documents. In which state a national Chambal sanctuary located? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Let me explain you. On March 2nd, 2020, Center notified 870 square kilometer around the National Chambal Sanctuary in Madhya Pradesh has ESZ, which means Eco Sensitive Zone, to prohibit polluting activities like industrious, major hydroelectric project, mining, stone quarrying, and big construction within the no-go area for the purpose of conservation of water, water bodies, unique geographical feature, flora and fauna.